Hello everyone and welcome to another Reddit ads tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to set up events in Reddit ads. You already have your Reddit ads pixel installed in all the pages of your website, and now you are ready to create events to start tracking key actions on your website. Before we go straight to the point, like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance, and let's get started. Now you log into your Reddit ads, you go on the top left hand side and you open your menu and you navigate to Events Manager. Again, a quick note that in order to create events, you need to have your Reddit ads pixel installed in all the pages of your website. We have a video about that. It is in the video description below. Now, what we need to do is we need to go to Event Configuration. And here you should see that your base pixel is successfully reporting, and we need to click Open Event Setup Tool. A quick note here, let's say you install the Reddit ads pixel, you come here and this option is grayed out, is not available for you. What you need to do is to go to Event Testing, you copy your website URL, you paste it here, and you test. The system will open your website and it will test whether the pixel can be found in your website. And eventually it will load, it will say, okay, the pixel is on the website. And from there you can go back to event configuration, you can refresh the page, so make sure you refresh, and the option to see the event setup tool will be available to you. So keep in mind, if this is grayed out, this is what you need to do. You just need to test whether the pixel is on the site, refresh the page, this option will be available to you. Now we are going to click Open Event Setup Tool. We're going to click this option, we're going to copy our website URL, we are going to paste it here, let's say the home page, and we are going to open our website with the Event Setup Tool. So now we see our website in front of us with this box floating around on the left hand side. And there are two ways to create events now on Reddit ads. Option number one is to click here Add Event and use web elements, which means we want to track button clicks, for example, right? So we're going to click here, and let's say that I want to track how many people click here this button that says work with us. First, I need to select the event type. So what am I tracking? In this case, it's, let's say, view content. I'm going to give it a nickname. So for example, clicked on work with us. Then I'm going to say select trigger element. Now you see everything is grayed out. I'm going to select this button. So the system picked up this button, and I'm going to save the changes. Now that's it, we are done. There is a second option. So if you want to say I want to add event web elements, it means that you want to track clicks to buttons, clicks to links, and so forth. What if you want to track the visit to a specific URL on your website? In this case, you're going to say URL keywords. You're going to select this option. You are going to specify what exactly it is that you are tracking. Is it a visit to the cart page? Is it, let's say, the fact that somebody went to the thank you page, they bought something? Is it that somebody completed the sign up? Is it that they just visited your pricing page, let's say some content? So you are going to select the right labeling. You are going to give a nickname also to your event if you want. So let's say, for example, that people who visited my contact page, and then here you are going to select URL keyword. So you're going to say that when someone lands on a URL that contains, for example, contact, or contains, let's say, whatever you want, then this is the action that I want to track. A very important note, if you want to do this, you need to open the event setup tool on this specific page. So let's say, for example, that I want to track how many people visited the contact page, right? So I need to open the event setup tool actually on this page, the contact page, and then I can come here and I can say, for example, people who visited a URL that contains, for example, /contact. So let's do this job together. We are back at event configuration. We're going to say we want to set up events. We are going to copy our URL, for example, of the contact page. We're going to paste it here. We're going to open the URL with this tool. So now the event setup tool is open within this URL that we want to track. And here we need to say we want to add an event. Now we're going to select URL keywords. And now here we need to specify the event type, for example, view content. And when we select URL keywords, you can see here that you can select contact. Then you save the changes and you are done. Now you can return to your events manager, right? So you can disconnect the tool, and here you can come in any time and you can see what kind of events are set up in Reddit ads. So we have one event that we just created, people who click this button, and we have another event that we just created, people who visited the contact page. That's it. That's how you can create events in Reddit ads. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone.